But there is one particular Hong Kong treat that is not to be missed, and it is centuries old. Tucked away in the Sham Shui Po street market, you will find a tasty food factory. No, not Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, but the Kung Wo Tofu Factory, where, for 4 generations, one family has made tofu the traditional way. Here you will find the most popular dish, the silky smooth, wiggly jiggly sweet tofu pudding, sprinkled with coarse orange-colored sugar. And another local favorite, pan-fried tofu.
These two are actually mom's recipe.
Oh,
Yeah, created by my mom.
Oh, that's nice.
So I helped her to develop the recipe because 10 years ago we didn't sell so many pieces, but now we are selling like thousands and thousands of pieces every day.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So
Is it a secret recipe of what?
You need to ask my mom.
Okay, good.
Well, Mom wasn't here this day, but we did go back into the kitchen to find out how the tofu is made. It all starts with those soybeans.
What stage are the soybeans in here?
The soybean soaked in the water for more than 8 hours.
Oh, so that happens first.
Yes.
How many? How many pounds and pounds?
I think we use about 500 kilo or 800 kilos of soybean every day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then the soybeans are poured into the traditional stone grinder, the same type of millstone grinder that has been used to make tofu for centuries.
The taste of tofu made by the stone grinder is much better.
I bet. Can I try it once?
Yeah, sure.
So obviously you just fill it up. This is so. Now, is this a basket specifically for making tofu, or could it be used for anything?
For the soybean.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
It is. Oh, okay. Because it lets some of the water out first,
Yes.
maybe before. Okay. Oh, I didn't lose too many.
Then the grinder spins the liquid out, and all that grinding and spinning separates the liquid from the fiber. The fiber is then removed, and the liquid gets poured into these giant vats, where it spins and spins and spins, and looks like a giant pool of ice cream you could just dive on into. Then that liquid is poured into yet another container, a wooden barrel this time, to finally form the tofu. And then the fun part begins.
Oh, that's heavier than it looks. I won't spill any.
Huge scoops are scooped out and put into these wooden forms to create the square-shaped tofu that we're used to seeing. The forms are flipped every so often to help the liquid drain off. And check out the almost elegant spin that this guy does as he spins the forms over his head. Eventually, after all this hard work, the tasty tofu makes its way to the front counter, ready to be sold. Certain regulars come in every single day, first thing in the morning, bringing their own containers for their daily taste of tofu history.